Most people in the industry are wondering where is the future of high street and what's going to happen. And there's lots of opinion that the retail is dead. We think that's far from being dead. It's actually becoming much more interesting.
We are really entering the kind of phase of, experience. All the festivals now are experiential, and that's the way that the retail industry is going. Because so many people shop online, it now is kind of, if you are going to draw people into this environment, then it's leaving them with an experience that then will encourage them to go home and shop.
It's very interesting for us to work with students because nobody knows what the future will bring, and in the industry everybody is looking for new solutions. And there's plenty of research into this millennial generation, but to actually find in-depth understanding of the future customers, you need to spend quite a lot of time with them.
It's just been really cool because Campaign, Ola and Phil have been here from the beginning of the project, they launched it. So then we got to meet them before we had even figured out what we were doing. So it wasn't one big scary meeting where it's right, here they are, present. It was kind of we kind of knew them along the way.
I've really enjoyed working with fashion marketing because it was really interesting to see what they actually do. So they look at the customer profile, they look at the branding, they look at the PR.
I think it's really exciting to actually get to work with industry, which you don't really get to do with other student projects. I think it's more real life opportunity and getting those contacts, which is exactly what we need for after uni.
As marketers, they are very much working with key interfaces in the design industry. In professional setup, they would be interacting with many different disciplines, and the project gives them exposure to this, be able to work on a live project and get industry feedback at the same time.
I think the fact that we got other industry specialists in, such as Felix Scarlett from GDR, he gave some fantastic lectures which made the students really globally aware, trend aware, so that they're at the cutting edge of things, and therefore the designs that they're coming up with are on trend, but just pushing the boundaries a little bit further. And because of course it's the millennial generation that's bucking the trend, this project is absolutely perfect.